Hi guys, in this video we're going to learn how to read an Excel file in Pandas. Besides having your dataset as a CSV file or a JSON file, it could also come as an Excel file, and we need to know how to actually read Excel files in Pandas. So first thing we're going to do is to import Pandas as PD and then create a data frame. So the function you use when you're reading Excel files is read Excel. Then you pass in the Excel file you want to read. In this case, this is the Excel file I want to read, data.xlsx. Right? Let's run this code. Alright, so this is the Excel file. Now let me show you a few parameters of this read Excel function. But before I do that, let's preview this data set in Excel. Okay, so here's the data set in Excel. And you notice that there are two sheets here. Two sheets. Let me create another sheet. Let's call that sheet 1. I'm just going to create a sample. Just take a subset and paste it. Alright, let me save this. So now we have three sheets. We have the weather sheet, and then sheet 1, which I just created, and then the metadata explaining the variables of the data set. This is actually a weather time series weather data. So what if we want to read sheet 2? Because by default, read Excel function just read in the first sheet. If we want to read the data in this sheet 1, then we can use a parameter in the read Excel function. Let's see what that parameter is. Alright, so I'm going to modify this code and just add another parameter, that is sheet name. So sheet name is sheet 1. Let's run this. Okay, so this is sheet 1 from 0 to 15. Yeah, the last value is 2013 hour 15, and that's it here. Alright, so let's say we are working with a really large Excel file where there are lots of columns and we do not want to use all the columns. Maybe we want to use a subset of the columns. While reading in the Excel file, we can specify the parameter useCol and pass in a list of columns we want to read. Okay, let's say I'm interested in the year, and maybe I want the temperature value, that's T to M. Maybe surface pressure, PS, right? As I'm interested in just these three variables, I'm just going to load only those three variables when I'm reading this data set. And voila. Right, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you learned something from this video, please hit the like button. See you when I see you.